Welcome to the future, where technology transcends reality as we know it. Have you ever wondered about the world of augmented reality? It's a realm where the virtual and the real collide, creating experiences that are nothing short of extraordinary. In this course, we delve into the exciting possibilities of augmented reality, mixed reality, extended reality, and virtual reality, and how they're changing the world around us. We'll explore their differences, their unique attributes, and how they're shaping our perception of reality. We'll also venture into the challenges that exist in this rapidly evolving field and how to navigate them. From learning about the tools that bring these realities to life, to understanding the practical use cases that are revolutionizing industries across the globe, this course is your gateway into the world of augmented reality. So, are you ready to step into a new reality? Join us on this journey and experience firsthand the wonder of augmented reality. Welcome to the future today. This is Shepard, signing off.